monohybrid cross. This is the cross done to study the inheritance of a single character. And here the character selected is the height of the stem. And two steps are there. One is the cross-pollination of tall plant and dwarf plant to obtain F1. And second one is the self-pollination of F1 to obtain F2. So the first step is the cross-pollination of tall plant. And here the tall plant is pure or true breed. What is this pure or true breed? This is a plant that has undergone 5 to 6 times self-pollination or back cross. For what? To make it homozygous. Okay, so that is the true breed or pure breed. And let's see the cross, tall and dwarf plant. Since it is homozygous, capital T, and the dwarf is small t. And the gametes from this is capital T and here small t. And fertilization of these gametes result the genotype capital T, small t. So F1 generation produces all tall plants. Next is self-pollination of F1. That is capital T small t into capital T small t. So these are the gametes. And the fertilization result, the formation of genotype, capital T, then capital T, small t, and then small t. So phenotypic ratio is 3 tall is to 1 dwarf, that is 3 is to 1. And genotypic ratio is capital T is 1, capital T, small t is 2, and small t is 1. So 1 is to 2 is to 1. From monohybrid cross, he introduced two laws. One is law of dominance and the other one is law of segregation. And the law of dominance states that expression of only one of the parental character in F1 generation and both in F2 generation. And that is, it explains 3:1 ratio in F2. And the important postulates are, characters are controlled by discrete units. The word discrete means do not mix or blend. Called factors, and now they called as alleles. And then these factors occur in pairs. And then in heterozygous genotype, the one which express is called as dominant and the one which remain hidden is called recessive. And exceptions are there. Example, incomplete dominance in snapdragon and codominance. And then the second one is the law of segregation, or it is also called as law of purity of gametes. It states that an individual receives one allele from each parent and they do not mix or blend. That is, alleles separate during gamete formation and reunite during fertilization.